Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My people, tori no dey finish o. We say October na e wear koko shoe ita igele. We no know say November my birthday month na all this korokere matter go still dey come outside. I be think say we don rest tomorrow for different thing. Na we dey o. This one just come show. Let me usher una in the latest Mommy Gio in town. Mommy Gio. Abi na Baby Gio. Okay. Let's welcome Baby Gio in town. Una see this old man wey no dey shame with him bald head. See this old man with him bald head. He marry small girl wey dey go in church. Wey dey sing from 14 years. This man don dey touch this girl. Immediately he reach 18 years, he marry am. Because of he know say people they go crucify and say he na pedophile, say he dey sleep with small children. Now he pele the girl, knock the girl back and front till the girl reach 18 years. He come marry the girl, my people. If you dey talk now, they go say that shall not judge you. That shall not judge. Let's leave it for God. God is judge. Now lie, my people. My own dictionary. God no go come judge. They say judgment starts from earth. Because say God na merciful God, a lot of people they do bad thing. Because they know say if they ask God for forgiveness, He go forgive them. How can you marry you go marry pikin wey dey the age of your grandchildren? I beg. Which this man and a pastor. See wetin pastor they do. If I dey talk and say church na scam, a lot of people go just say no talk like that. Real man of God, they no reach 5%. Take it or leave it. They no reach 5%. Because they always talk and say country where they go sleep for church, how market, they know even they progress, nothing to show for it. See country where they go church, then they do the right thing, then they progress. See this old man, my people, with his big belly. See his belly like a tank. Now they use they climb this small girl. Won't break this small girl waist. I beg. Where the parents of this girl have been a poverty, na cause am. See the small girl now, don't they wear cap like say na him God call. Even the pastor wey God call self, they wear suit. See Baby Gio don't they dress like I don't know, don't they tie head, tie ear, join now. I don't know where the parents of this girl where they allow this girl to marry this old man. Even though na poverty, at least Regina Daniel wey marry, we know say na money make her marry Ned Nwoko wey do hair like python. But this one now, because say she won't become Baby Gio, now make her marry this man. And the parents no even talk anything. They hand over this girl to this man in the platter of gold. And the pastor too wey come wed this girl with this football belle together. Who can do the worst? Even though God say make una wey na be man marry more than one wife or 3 wife, 100 wife, as una dey take the one way suit una inside Bible. Na so Abraham, King Solomon, na so he marry many wife. But una no wan suffer the thing wey dem suffer. Those things, those part wey they take for Bible. Now for us to learn, that is why they write it down. It's like history. It's for us to learn wetin happen those days. So that we'll learn. They don't tell you say make you follow the footstep. And the moreover, I no go pass the crucifixion or the sacrifice where they sacrifice. Now only that enjoyment part that they take. I know stop you before they come for me say wetin concern you. That shall not judge man of God. Man of God call man of man. Man of God, the Bible now tell am say make he marry underage, may begin the pele small girl. They enjoy the small girl before he come marry and finally. Now Bible tell am like that. Even though he want marry second wife, why you know marry advanced woman? He go take advantage on this small girl. I don't understand though. Like this pastor now, if somebody can't call you, your member call you say one old man won't marry their daughter. Wetin you want come talk? Which advice you want advise them? Wetin you want tell the man say make he no marry the small girl, say na underage. You know if you talk am, because even you wey be pastor, you dey do the worst. I just pity for this small girl because I know say no be this small girl clear eye take do this thing. Wey he mate they don't enter university. dey study, they wan build career for their life. You wan take am go marry wetin I wan even call this man. Wan use am go marry this football Mecheli man. Wan use am marry grandpa Gio because she wan become baby Gio. See her for inside the suit and the cap sef. You go know say breast water never dry for this girl mouth. Even her brain never develop well. See her with the man, e be like grandpapa and daughter. Can you imagine? Then you go come dey use this girl blood now dey fresh herself. Nigeria, I don't understand you people. Now everything different thing na dey happen. Who knows? Who know? Nothing. We no fit rule anything. No. Maybe na wetin dem don tell this pastor for Ikovu. We no trust all these pastor people because most majority of pastor they get baba, they get native doctor wey dey check for them. Who know whether na wetin they tell the man say make you do, marry small girl to renew your power. But one day una secret to go expose. Now here we dey here. My people, now wetin I say make I brief for now. We dey here, we dey wait for them. Useless man, old man. I go cause am if una like make una come for me. Or remember, make una come dey tell me say why they cause am. Because una blind. If they say una sense to dey follow pastor like Mugu. Now this say na everybody now they said their sense. See this man now. Where see this man say sister Blessing Jeremiah Esu. See the name where they call the girl self. Esu mean Esu. I don't know what Esu mean. Devil. Marry Pastor Peter Tom Udofia. See them. Nonsense man. I no get wetin I wan tell this girl because the girl brain never develop. She never really developed to know what is good for her. Because of say she dey go sing choir. My people, make I still tell una. Make una no allow una children wey supposed to dey for football, they for football school or they learn one hand work, go dey waste their time, they sit down for church. Man I know they fall for heaven. No. Now only for Nigeria that they preach say man and they fall for heaven. Children wey supposed to go learn handwork if they come back for school or go learn any sport, go they do hairdressing, learn one handwork, join your school, so that when you enter school, you know go dey difficult for you to buy hand that and all those things. No, they go say make go sit down for church, make go dey help a pastor, make it go dey sing, make it go dey do this, make it go dey do that. Too much of everything is bad. Not be say Monday till Sunday you go send your pikin go church, make it go sweep, make it go do this. If the offering money wey they give pastor, you know if you take inside, take people wey wan clean in church, make it leave am. But they send una children. That's why they molest una children. I know if you talk because pastor get level pass una, pastor get grand pass una, pastor get money pass una. To avoid everything, stop sending your children to go and be singing with pastor, playing pastor. They play piano, and your daughter go dey inside church. They say that they learn piano. What do you expect? Now from there, pastor go start to touch your daughter, and they no go fit talk because they go say na pastor. Because majority of Nigeria, if you talk say see wetin pastor do you, they go say na you they entice pastor. You understand? Even the parents now, they cannot say anything. Say why they cannot talk because pastor get level, get money past them. Now make a lot of parents go quiet, allow their children to fall inside hole. But any parents wey no fit stand for their parents for their children for this kind thing, you are not worthy to be parents. And they talk and say no be by to bring children come this life. Now to take care of them, na be the matter. Because I don't see any reason why the parents no go oppose. Say lie. They go oppose. From there, this thing go come outside. Say this pastor won't intimidate them. My people now waiting they happen. I say make I bring her come give you now because this thing is uncalled for. I don't understand. So now thank you my people, my Tory people. Anyhow where we see and where they bring her come give you now because since na inside life we dey, now waiting we see for inside the life will take her the get sense. I beg make una watch una children very well because all these pastors they no get joy. Thank you very much for watching. Please share and like and also comment. Thank you.